Hi, I'm Joel from Arvig with exciting news. We have a new Wi-Fi TV device that uses a traditional remote control that expands your entertainment options and makes entertainment effortless. It's called the EVO Force One set-top box. This media player will quickly and easily search through all your apps at the same time. Before, you may have had to open multiple apps to find that program that your friends were talking to you about at the coffee house. But now, with this device, you can easily search for that program and it will display which apps have that program, and you can choose the one that you're subscribed to watch it on. The remote control is more like a traditional remote with numbers to punch in the actual channel number. Here's a summary of the EVO Force One advantages. More free channels available with this box compared to other streaming devices. Channels from providers like Xumo and Pluto. Voice or type searches display results from all installed apps. Just pick the one you want to watch it on. A traditional looking remote with number pad, so you can directly enter channel numbers. A dedicated channel up and down button on the remote. You only need to create a MyArvig account. No need for a Google or Amazon account to use the EVO Force One set-top box. You can connect the set-top box to the internet by either an Ethernet cord or using your home Wi-Fi.